Hello, my name is Giovanna Bernal. I'm a Panama attorney with more than 15 years of experience, and today I will share with you the requirements to apply to the red carpet visa by investment and securities on the Panama stock market. Panama is a country that is very well recognized because it has a stable government. The currency is the USD. The economy is based on services, finance, tourism, and logistics, and it has incentives for residents and for investment purposes. The location is quite unique. We have the Panama Canal, and we have a hub that is based on logistics, and we have a territorial tax system which is very convenient as well. Our VAT is of 7%, the one that we call ITBMS. And Panama is the destiny number one for retirees nowadays. We have a special regimes such as free trade zones, the Colón Free Trade Zone, the Panama Pacifico, City of Knowledge, and also we have a special regime called Multinational Headquarters, SAM. Okay, these are statistics issued by the National Immigration Service in Panama. As you can see right here, the countries with most resident permits are Colombia, Venezuela, United States, Nicaragua, Peru, and China. Then we have another countries, and in 2022, the National Immigration Office has approved more than 20,000 resident permits, more than 200,000 in the last 10 years. And about the requirements to apply to the residency that is called the red carpet, fast track, or qualified investor visa by investment on securities is by investing on the stock market in Panama $500,000. This was approved in 2020. We cannot confuse this type of permit with the Friendly Nations visa by investment, because by investment is on property and also on a fixed term deposit. The Friendly Nations visa does not approve investment on the stock market, but the qualified investor visa does. The investment has to be done with $500,000 and for at least 5 years. It is very important that those securities are approved and also under the Panamanian Stock Exchange. Cannot be from companies that are in another exchange in the world. They have to be registered in Panama. And the requirements are very simple. The most important thing is that by investment with this type of visa, you can get permanent residency in less than 30 working days. The National Stock Market will issue a certification stating that the brokerage firm is registered, the name of the applicant, the details on the securities. Also, the license from the brokerage firm has to be submitted on the application to prove that the brokerage firm is regulated. It has to be a company duly accepted and regulated by the Superintendency of the Stock Market of Panama. And they will issue a certification with the details on the securities that have been invested. As per the requirement, there usually is a power of attorney and a formal request by a Panama attorney. This is very important because with this type of residency, you can apply from distance. It means that you can send all the documents to your lawyer, and your lawyer can submit the application. Once done and everything is paid and submitted, you'll receive in 30 working days your residency, and then you'll have to come to Panama to take the picture of your resident ID, and also you'll be able to get your e-cedula. Besides that, you have to take some pictures. You need to make a copy of your passport. If you're far and you are not in Panama, that passport copy has to be legalized by the Panama consulate or with apostille if your country accepts apostille by the Hague Convention. The power of attorney, if it's done from distance, has to be legalized as well. The criminal background check has to be done as well. It has to be legalized as well by the Panama consulate or with apostille. And you'll need also to obtain a health certificate. The health certificate is a document issued by your doctor stating that you are in good health. And finally, a bank certification or your account statement where it shows that you made the investment, that you sent the money to buy on the Panamanian stock market through a brokerage firm. Because it is important to show that the investment was done from abroad, not from income located in Panama. This type of residency allows dependents to have residency as well, such as wife, husband, children, and even children that are more than 18 years old up to 25 years old, as long as they are single and they can show that they are still studying at university level. You'll need to show that you have the proof of relationship like marriage certificate, the birth certificates, a letter of responsibility from the applicant stated that will take care of the dependents while in Panama, a letter authorizing in case the applicant is only one of the parents, so the other parent will have to approve the residency of the other dependents. Also, it has to be paid the immigration office an amount of $10,000 by the applicant and $1,000 for each dependent. And we'll have to also add another expenses for the process and legal fees. And this is it. Just remember that in order to keep the residency, you have to come to Panama for at least 2 years. One entry at least in order to keep your residency in good standing. If you like this video, please subscribe to the channel, follow us on social media, and if you would like to receive more information about residency options, please you can click in the link below for complimentary consultation. Thanks.